What's up, guys? Welcome back. And in this one, I want to basically do the second half of that control flow logic. We cover the switch statement. Now, the switch statement basically allows us to, if I undo this here, this is what we had initially in the previous video. And we can do a ton of different else ifs. But what if we don't want to do that? What if we want to make it a tad bit easier for us? So what we can actually do is just get rid of this entire thing. And we can say switch, and we do our condition parentheses again. But this time, instead of saying like if something is greater than something or whatever condition you want, we can do if we can just basically say food choice. And this is going to take whatever the value is here. So then we pass this value into our code block here. And then we do something called case. Now for each case, we want something different to happen. So we can do case of 1 colon. And I don't know why that tabbed it over. We want to do case of 1. And we want to say print I like pizza too. Alright, and then now we want to do something else here as well. Because if we don't do it, it'll be an infinity loop. And I guess I'll show you that first. So we'll do case of 2 here. And I'm going to say print F. And then I want to say put some barbecue on that. And I'm going to say a default. And so now this default is for if it's not 1 or 2, and it's just any other case, similar to the else clause. And we can do printf I don't know what you eat. Okay, so that's that. Let me make sure I put my semicolon here. And now if I run this here, you can see that we should get the same thing. So if I run this, if I hit a 1, I like pizza too. Put some wait, what? This is all 3. How come we're getting all 3 here? Well, that's because we didn't put our break statement. So if we don't put our break statement, it won't leave this switch here. So it'll actually just run all the cases. What we actually want to do here is we want to put our break statement. Now this break statement will just break the loop. Now, when I get into loops later on, I'll also show you that we can use it there. But we want to basically have a break statement for each one of these because that'll allow us to actually leave the switch loop, because this is basically a loop. And it allows us to leave it once we actually get that desired, or I said desired result. I meant to say desired results. That's what I meant. So basically, we get our desired result. That's when we want to leave the switch. I said it in my mind. Okay. So basically, if we run this again here, and I say 1, now we only get the 1 result that we wanted. I say -3. I don't know what you eat. So all the different results work. So that's how you use the switch. Pretty simple. We have our code block here, just like the other 2 clause statements that we saw with if and else. And then we have our cases here. So that's how we would do this. Makes things a little bit easier. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand this concept. Now I'm going to jump into loops and how to do those. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and see you later.